Guys, this is Octane Red 392. Today I'm gonna show you guys how I clean my rims with Meguiars water spot remover. And yes, I know you can use that for paint, but for these black wheels, it works very well. It works very good as well. So I'm actually getting ready for a car show. So they were already clean a little bit, but you know how these rims are with the Brembos, whether you have 6 pistons or 4 pistons, they get dusty pretty quick. So I'm just touching them up with a light coat of this Meguiars water spot remover. And I'll show you the finished product when I'm done. Alright, I've taken most of it off, but as you can see, this white stuff, that is the water spot remover. Some type of, this little like soft grains or whatever, but that's how you can clearly see that it's still on. And wiping it off, you can see how that, after using the Meguiars water spot remover. This is my last video. I use Meguiars as well, so let me go tell you something. They make a good product, and of course there's other companies coming up with good products as well, and for a slightly better price, like Poor Boys and Chemical Guys, which are also awesome chemicals for washing your car, detailing it, getting it show ready. I also use those. I have a gambit of stuff I use. I like them all. So, you know, you pick what you like for your car. And yes, I will be putting on tire shine soon, and I'll be showing you that as well. But that's how the wheel looks now. It's freaking awesome. I like it. All right, guys, this is Octane Red 392. This is the complete setup for the car, and this is how the wheel looks when you apply Meguiars water spot remover and Jaxwax trim and tire gel. That's the applicator, and that's how it comes out, man. That's my combination for cleaning my wheels and what I use for car shows. What's going on, YouTube? It's Octane Red 392. So pretty much that's my setup for my wheels, and we're at the car show right now out in Glenville, Georgia. Just enjoying some time with the crew. See the cars. So next time, see y'all. Remover and Jaxwax tire and trim gel. Boom.